Today I'll show you how to remove Fliki AI's watermark. Let me guide you through how to resolve this issue legally and effectively. Fliki watermarks content on free accounts. Upgrading to a paid plan allows for watermark-free exports. On the free plan, all videos will feature a Fliki watermark. You can upgrade to the premium plan via the dashboard to remove it. Once upgraded, revisit your projects and re-export them for watermark-free versions. If you're not using the watermark for commercial purposes, for example for your own personal video that you're not going to share, for educational or journaling purposes, you can remove the watermark with AI. For example, Online Video Cutter has an AI watermark remover. Simply select the watermark, let the video process, and your watermark will be removed. If you're using this to parody content, Fliki could still strike down your channel if they wish. With upgrading your account, there will be no legal risk of striking you down. You'll also be able to explore additional premium features, such as enhanced AI voices and custom branding.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.